Good morning, students. Today we're going to be doing our classroom-based spelling bee. Once all of the classroom-based results are in from grades 6 through 8, you'll be notified if you qualify to move on to the school-wide spelling bee. At this point, you should have a lined sheet of paper. Please take a moment and number that sheet of paper 1 through 24. Pause the video now to do so. Before I begin reading the words, I wanted to let you know the setup of this classroom spelling bee. I will read the word. I will also read a sentence with the word, and then I will read the word again. You are welcome to pause this video at any time if you need to take a moment to think about it. You're also welcome to rewind the video if you need to hear the words said again. For the spelling bee, capitalization does not count. Again, do not worry about capitalization. Your goal is to spell the word correctly. At the end of you completing all 24 words, you will be given an answer key to self-check your answers. Word number 1, coincidence. By coincidence, Mary and her mother bought identical pairs of shoes. Coincidence. Coincidence. Number 2, reluctant. Reluctant. Ralph's parents were reluctant to get him a BB gun. Reluctant. Reluctant. Number 3, tumultuous. Tumultuous. The railroad struggled to repair damages after a year of tumultuous mudslides and washouts. Tumultuous. Tumultuous. Number 4, calamitous. Calamitous. Dean tried to forget the calamitous events of the day and get some much-needed sleep. Calamitous. Number 5, colossal. Colossal. The new stadium is a colossal building seating about 100,000 people. Colossal. Colossal. Number 6, intervene. Intervene. Mrs. Singh had to intervene when it was apparent that the students' squabble would not resolve itself. Intervene. Intervene. Number 7, the controversy. Sorry, that word is controversy. Number 7 is controversy. The controversy embroiling the public school principal and the editor of the school newspaper was about First Amendment rights. Controversy. Controversy. Number 7 was controversy. Number 8, petite. Petite. For such a petite woman, Elena has a surprisingly resonant voice. Petite. Petite. Number 9, rabble-rouser. Rabble-rouser. Jackson was accused of being a rabble-rouser for encouraging his classmates to start a food fight in the cafeteria. Rabble-rouser. Rabble-rouser. Number 10, prudence. Prudence. Even after she was proved right, Edina had the prudence not to tell her brother, "I told you so." Prudence. Prudence. Number 11, barograph. Barograph. The weather station in Antarctica was supplied with a thermometer, weather vane, and a barograph. 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 Number 12. Plating. Straw plating is a traditional method used for making hats in the Italian region of Tuscany. Plating. Plating. Number 13. Disembark. Disembark. Please hold the railing as we disembark, Simi told the passengers. Disembark. Disembark. Number 14. Hunky-dory. Hunky-dory. After a brief health scare, the actor assured the director that everything was hunky-dory and the show could continue. Hunky-dory. Hunky-dory. Number 15. Anemometers. Anemometers. Campsie and Brandrum set up anemometers at their weather station so they could measure the wind speed. Anemometers. Anemometers. Number 16. Chisel. Chisel. With chisel and mallet, Fred started shaping the block of wood into a toy. Chisel. Chisel. Number 17. Ignoble. Ignoble. Someone snapped a picture of the pop quiz and posted it online for the ignoble purpose of cheating. Ignoble. Ignoble. Number 18. Palindrome. Palindrome. Ada struggled to contrive a palindrome centered around her own name. Palindrome. Palindrome. Number 19. Intriguing. Intriguing. Jonathan opined that science fiction is the most intriguing literary genre. Intriguing. Intriguing. Number 20. Halogens. Halogens. Halogens are responsible for the saltiness of the ocean. Halogens. Halogens. Number 21. Asparagus. Asparagus. Camden served fried chicken and asparagus to his guests. Asparagus. Asparagus. Number 22. Laryngitis. Laryngitis. A case of laryngitis prevented Ava from giving her talk at the art gallery. Laryngitis. Laryngitis. Number 23. Lacrosse. Lacrosse. Curious about lacrosse, Pamela signed up for an intramural team. Lacrosse. Lacrosse. Number 24. Masquerade. Masquerade. Amani wore a peacock-themed ball gown and a feathered mask to the masquerade. Masquerade. Masquerade.